In this video, I'll guide you through how to enter opening balances in Xero if you're moving from another accounting system into Xero, or you're starting fresh but need to bring in your existing figures. Entering opening balances is an essential step. I'll walk you through the process on screen, explain what you're seeing, and give you a few tips so you feel confident about what you're entering. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Log into your Xero account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one business in Xero. You'll see the main Xero dashboard with your bank accounts, invoices, and other key information. From here, move your mouse up to the top menu and click on the accounting tab. This is the main area where you'll manage things like your chart of accounts, reports, and settings related to your financial data. Hover for a second if you need to, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that drop-down, click on Account Settings. This is where you can control how your accounts are set up in Xero. You'll see options related to your chart of accounts and some configuration details. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving on, because this is where we'll enter the opening balances. Next, look for the option labeled Conversion Balances and click on it. Conversion balances are simply Xero's term for your opening balances at the date you start using Xero as your main accounting system. This is usually called your conversion date. On this screen, you'll see a list of accounts along with fields where you can enter the balance for each account as at that start date. Before you type anything in, it's a good idea to have your previous system's trial balance or an accountant-prepared list of balances in front of you. That ensures that what you enter into Xero matches your real-world figures. Remember, entering accurate opening balances is important because it affects your reports, your profit and loss, and your balance sheet going forward. If you can't see a specific account that you need, you can add an account from this area. Look for an option to add account and click it. This will let you create a new account in your chart of accounts that you can then assign an opening balance to. When you add an account, choose the correct account type, such as asset, liability, equity, income, or expense, and give it a clear name so you or your team can easily recognize it later. Once the account is created, it will appear in the list and you can enter its opening balance as well. Now go through the list and enter the correct balance for each account that applies to your business as at your chosen start date. Take your time here. If something doesn't look right, pause and double check against your source document before continuing. When you're happy with all the balances you've entered, scroll down and click Save. This step is crucial because your changes won't be applied until you save. After saving, you can revisit this screen later if you need to review or adjust your opening balances, but it's best to get them as accurate as possible from the start. That's all there is to it. You've now entered your opening balances in Xero, setting a solid foundation for accurate ongoing bookkeeping and reporting.